As medical workers continue to risk their lives to fight this battle on the front lines, News 4 is committed to bringing you their stories. Tonight, the director of Mount Sinai's Critical Care Rapid Response Team gave us an inside look at how the hospital is fighting this invisible enemy. Here's News 4's Adam Harding.
From the parking lot of the hospital she works at, you could hear the mixed emotions in Sanam Ahmed's voice.
On one hand, I left my kids at home so that I could go and fight this war along with my colleagues. But on the other hand, I feel optimistic.
She's a mom to 4 young children, and she's a critical care physician on the front lines of this pandemic. Before starting her shift, she says a colleague texted her the number of patients they saved a day earlier.
It's sort of a reminder of the resilience that we have as human beings, and that together we're going to overcome this. I'm entering the hospital now. I'm going to head upstairs now, start my job.
Inside the hospital, she's treating patients who range in age from their 30s to some in their 80s.
We have our ICU team here. Hi, guys. Hey.
Doctors are all wearing masks as they treat those fighting COVID-19.
We've been called to a bedside to see a patient who is having some problems with oxygenation.
It is an exhaustive overnight shift, an inside look at the harsh reality. This is work doctors bring home with them every day.
Thinking about one of the patients who I saw who was very sick yesterday. She was only 34 years old, and she was really struggling with her breathing. She had acute respiratory failure, and I had to put her on the ventilator.
All of this only hours before New York reported its highest death toll from the virus in a 24-hour span.
It's a little bit scary because it's supposed to be the peak.
These are the faces of the men and women putting their lives on the line in what could be their toughest stretch yet.
Until then, I'm going to try to get a little rest and a little family time.
I'm Adam Harding, News 4 New York.